going back to the house right now. I'm trying to get back to the house right now, but it's fucking flooded!
There you go.
Shut up.
Don't drive a stick shift in the rain. Hell no. Oh, barely. Oh, get your ass back in the garage.
It's not starting.
Oh. Nice idea to go out for a drive. So this is going to be fun. Ooh, what's that? Fun adventure of the car not starting.
It was just coming onto the shore, and then you can see
27 right now. That was next. According to the National Weather, getting a taste of
oh my God.
weather that we have been seeing up to the north through Long Beach and now pushing into Riverside. What I will do, we are keeping our eye on that particular cell. Again, you see that rotation. I also want to watch what's happening up to the north. We have another particular system that's pushing through Kelowna right now, guys.
All right, let me drop in here very quickly, Josh, and let people know that you want